Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? So today we are going to be making roasted plantain aka bole using an air fryer. Bole is one of the street foods you can find in Nigeria and it is absolutely delicious. You can eat it with your granuts, you can eat it with stew, with some sauce by the side. It is very delicious. So please stay tuned and watch how I made these using an air fryer. The first thing you have to do is wash your plantain. Make sure your plantain is clean. You have to wash it first before you start cutting it. I really prefer that because of all the dirt, all the sand. So after making sure your plantain is washed properly, then you cut both ends and then you peel off the skin. If you're watching my video for the very first time, you are welcome. I love to have you here. Please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and turn on your bell notification. That way you get notified immediately I post a new video. I'll love to have you here. So after watching this video, then you can go down to my playlist and watch some other videos. I'm sure you're going to find a lot of videos that you like. So please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and to all my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. I appreciate you. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to share this video. Yes, share it on your WhatsApp group, share it on your Facebook, share it everywhere. Thank you.